$10 million is the exact lifetime difference between a standard nursing path and the CRNA trajectory. This is not a speculative number. It is the result of a 30-year clinical and financial audit. Most people in this field look at the immediate cost of school as a barrier, but that is a failure of long-term physiologic rationale. In the ICU, we are trained to stabilize the patient in the moment. In your career, you must stabilize your future for the next 3 decades. In this analysis, we are going to look at the hard data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics and current market trends to show you why staying at the bedside is the most expensive mistake you can make. We will cover the opportunity cost of school, the break-even point, and the specific tax strategies that turn a high salary into an 8-figure net worth. Later in this video, I will show you how geographic arbitrage can accelerate this timeline by 5 years, but we have to start with the baseline math of the ICU. The bedside ceiling. To understand where we are going, we have to look at where you are starting. The average high acuity nurse in 2026 is earning approximately $95,000 per year. Even with a generous 3% annual raise, your lifetime earnings over 30 years will reach about $4.8 million. This assumes you never burn out, never get injured, and never take time off. It is a linear trajectory with a very low ceiling. As a nurse anesthetist, your floor is higher than the bedside ceiling. We will look at the exact starting salaries in a moment, but first, we must address the 3-year dip that stops most people from ever starting. The opportunity cost audit. The transition to becoming a nurse anesthetist requires an immediate and heavy investment. You are looking at 36 months of full-time doctoral study where your income drops to zero. When you combine 3 years of lost ICU wages with the average cost of a doctoral program, you are essentially starting your new career $500,000 in the red. This is the moment where most people quit. They see the $500,000 deficit and fail to see the $10 million surplus waiting on the other side. Think of this like an induction. There is a brief period of instability before you reach a higher plane of clinical homeostasis. I will show you the exact month you return to net zero shortly. But first, we have to look at the immediate jump in professional value. The initial transition. If you value this level of data-driven career strategy without the marketing fluff, subscribe to the channel now. I focus exclusively on the technical and financial architecture of the nurse anesthetist transition. Subscribing ensures you stay informed on the shifting 2026 market rates. Upon graduation, your annual income does not just increase, it fundamentally transforms. A standard W-2 position for a new nurse anesthetist currently starts at $235,000. In your first year alone, you are earning $140,000 more than you did at the bedside. This means that within less than 4 years of graduating, you have completely erased the $500,000 deficit from school. From that point on, every cent is pure profit. But the real wealth is not in the W-2 salary. The real wealth is found in professional sovereignty and the 1099 market. The 1099 powerhouse. This is where the math becomes exponential. In the 2026 landscape, more nurse anesthetists are moving into 1099 independent contracting. As a 1099 provider, you are no longer an employee, you are a business entity. Hourly rates for independent contractors are currently hovering between $180 and $260 per hour. This places your gross annual income between $360,000 and $500,000 depending on your volume. While the W-2 salary is safe, the 1099 path is where the $10 million gap is solidified. We will discuss the tax engine that powers this wealth in a moment, but you must first understand how to capture this demand. The multiplier effect. To help you navigate this specific trajectory, I have built the 2026 Nurse Anesthetist Starter Kit, which you can find in the description below. It is a free resource that outlines the clinical steps required to reach these numbers. Download it now to start your planning. The multiplier effect happens when you combine high income with geographic flexibility. We are seeing providers utilize geographic arbitrage, working in high reimbursement states like California or Texas while maintaining a home in a low-cost region. This allows you to keep an extra $50,000 to $80,000 per year that would otherwise go to cost of living expenses. Over a 20-year period, that single decision is worth over $2 million when invested. The tax advantage growth engine. As a 1099 nurse anesthetist, you gain access to retirement vehicles that are unavailable to bedside nurses. While a bedside nurse might max out a 401k at $23,000, A 1099 provider can utilize a SEPIRA or a solo 401k to shelter up to $69,000 per year from taxes. When you invest that extra $46,000 a year into a simple S&P 500 index fund, the compounding effect over 25 years creates a $5 million difference in your net worth compared to a bedside nurse. This is the physiologic rationale for business ownership. You are not just working for a paycheck. You are building an automated wealth-generating organ. Physical longevity and career value. We must also consider the physical depreciation of the bedside nurse. ICU nursing is a high-impact, physically taxing role. Most nurses cannot maintain that pace into their late 60s. However, the role of a nurse anesthetist is cognitively heavy but physically sustainable. This allows you to extend your peak earning years by an extra decade. If you work just 5 additional years as a nurse anesthetist at the end of your career, you are adding over $2 million to your lifetime total. This longevity is a key component of the $10 million delta. The compound interest of sovereignty. When you look at the total picture, the math is inescapable. You have a higher base, a higher ceiling, better tax advantages, and a longer career lifespan. When you add it all up, the career nurse earns $4.8 million, while the nurse anesthetist earns $14.8 million. This is how you reach the $10 million difference. It requires a 3-year investment to unlock a 30-year windfall. If you're still at the bedside, you are effectively paying $300,000 a year for the privilege of staying there. Stop guessing and start planning. Conclusion and next steps. The data proves that the transition is the only logical path for a high-achieving nurse. If you are ready to take the first step, click the link for the 2026 Starter Kit in the description. It is the roadmap you need to bridge the gap between where you are and where the $10 million is. If you want to see the clinical side of this mastery, click the video on your screen now, where I break down the physiologic rationale for advanced hemodynamic monitoring. It is the same clinical logic we use today, applied to the operating room. I will see you there.